Well, here's a big congratulations to you on your purchase of Weber's Smokefire. And if this is your first barbecue, welcome to the Weber family. I know it's so exciting getting a new barbecue, and I am pumped to show you the Smokefire, but there are some essentials that we need to go through first, like setting up and seasoning your barbecue before we can get cooking on it. And I don't mean with salt and pepper. Seasoning your barbecue is a whole new thing for Weber, so let's do this together. Straight up, make sure your Smokefire is connected to the power and is turned on. Fill the hopper with any of Weber's all-natural hardwood pellets. There's apple, hickory, and even Grillmaster blend, which is my favourite. The hopper can hold a full 9 kilo bag of pellets, so depending what you're cooking, this can last up to 15 hours. Not only is this a very attractive barbecue, the barbecue. This is a smart barbecue. That's right, you can pair your phone to this barbecue through the Weber Connect app. If you haven't already done it, download Weber Connect. Now it's time to get all fired up. Open the lid. Select 315 degrees Celsius, which is the highest temperature. Push the dial to select the temperature. As soon as smoke becomes visible, you can close the lid. Leave the barbecue for 30 to 40 minutes at this high temperature to season it. And that's it, our Smokefire is seasoned. Now you can brush the cooking grills clean with a wire brush. Now it's time to shut down your barbecue, which is an important safety feature you must do every time you finish cooking. Scroll through the menu on the control panel and select Shut Down. This can even be done through your smartphone. Leave the lid of the barbecue open while it shuts down. This is a special feature of the Smokefire where several things are happening here. A portion of the pellets in the auger are pushed out down into the burn pot where they burn off. The remaining pellets are retracted back through into the hopper. This prevents a chance of build-up of pellets in the burn pot, but also prevents any unwanted fires in the auger. Once the shutdown is complete, you can power off the barbecue and leave it to completely cool down. Before firing up your barbecue for your first cook, it's a good idea to remove the cooking grills, flavorizer bars, and give the cookbox a quick scrape down. Now is the hardest part, deciding what to cook first. Without a doubt, just a simple whole roast chicken on the Smokefire is incredible. It has the crispy, perfect golden skin and tender meat, and that smoky flavour, bum chicka wow wow. I am so excited for you to get barbecuing. There are so many things I can't wait for you to try. Cooking the perfect steak, or even cooking authentic wood-fired pizzas on your Smokefire. All the recipes for these, plus many more, are on our website.